Now to Adamawa State, where Justice Benjamin Lawan of the Adamawa State High Court has issued a warrant for the arrest of the Resident Electoral Commissioner Hudu Ari, who was suspended by INEC. The court directed the Inspector General of Police to promptly arrest Hudu Ari and produce him in court for trial on 3 charges. The warrant was issued following an application dated 16th of April 2024, filed by the Adamawa State Government through its legal representatives. During the court proceedings, LD Nzadon, the counsel for the complainant, highlighted that the application sought the court intervention in securing the defendant's presence. The judge noted that this was the 3rd instance where the defendant failed to appear in court. Meanwhile, some Adamawa State residents have commended the efforts of the judiciary in protecting the country's democracy.
In all honesty, his arrest or his appearance will certainly be a litmus test paper, both to the democracy in Nigeria and also to the legal profession.
Joining us for more on this is a lawyer and senior special assistant to the governor of Adamawa State on public affairs, Sunday Wugira. Thank you so much for joining us on TVC News at 7. Well, tell us, why did the Adamawa State government file a suit against Hudu Ari, considering INEC had already suspended him and charged him to court?
Well, I think the Adamawa State government should be commended for taking this step to ensure that Hudu Ari, the suspended Resident Electoral Commissioner in charge of Adamawa State of the Independent National Electoral Commission, is prosecuted for the offenses he has committed. As much as INEC also has the right to prosecute him for infringing on some of its laws, the government of Adamawa State also has a role to play in the prosecution of Hudu to ensure that whoever that is coming to Adamawa State to come and do whatever hatchet job like Hudu did must know that he will have a debt with destiny and the laws of Adamawa State. One, Hudu is being prosecuted for inciting public disturbance. That is the law within the jurisdiction of the Adamawa State government. It is part of our penal laws, and along other laws, the government of Adamawa State can prosecute him alongside INEC at the same time, and there will be no duplication or double jeopardy.
All right, and now that a warrant of arrest has been issued for him, what are your expectations?
Well, Hudu had been given an opportunity to wash himself, to come clean. But he has been evading service even from the time he was being arraigned by INEC. You know, he has refused to accept service of all court processes. You cannot hold the law to ransom and you cannot evade justice forever. That is why if you look at section 20, subsection 1, subparagraph L of the Administration of Criminal Justice Law of Adamawa State 2018, it has specifically provided that where someone that is supposed to appear before a lawful authority decides to refuse, fail or neglect to appear, the court can make an order for the police to arrest him wherever he is and bring him before the court. So I believe over time, Hudu has been a fugitive. he has been hiding, he has been evading service. But now, let us see whether he can decide to evade arrest as well.
All right then.
And that will make it easier for INEC also.
I hear you, Mr. Wogira. Thank you so much for sharing your thoughts about this. I've been speaking with lawyer and senior special assistant to the governor of Adamawa State on public affairs. Thank you so much for talking to us on the news at 7.